Good day, folks. In this video I'm going to try to take a photo, an aerial photo of that building over there. So it is a basketball stadium. It's the Waverley Basketball Stadium in Australia, Melbourne, Victoria, and I'm gonna try to take aerial photography on that. But I've got a few obstacles. One of the obstacles is, even though it's sunny, it's a very windy day, so gonna be very hard to fly. And hopefully the drone, which I'm gonna be using, the DJI Mini 4K, that's just down there. I also will have the Insta360 Go tripod on my head, and it's gonna be on my face, and it's gonna be pointing down so you can see what I am doing with my hands and my controller here. Okay, let's get it started. I think it's time to go, so I will be recording with my Insta360 the whole time. Let's do this. Well, stay until the end, because I'm hoping to be successful, and stay until the end if I am successful, so you can see the beautiful photo that I took of the Waverley Basketball Stadium. Let's go. Well, let's get the show started, yeah? So like I say, it's a super windy day, and I just started the drone. I'm gonna fly up as high as I can first.
Home point updated.
Home point has been updated, as you heard. I'll sort of fly, just get a massive altitude of about 50 meters or so. Like I say, it's a very challenging day because it's super windy. But I am elevating, and I'm now on about 10 meters, 11 meters, 12 meters. So the building is just sort of there, but I actually have to go around the back so I can get a better photo of it, because the sun is shining from their end, and is the front of the actually building. So I'm now on 35 meters, 40 meters. So this is usually the height that I like. What I'll do, I'm now gonna go forward all the way to the front bit. I am on cine mode, but the cine mode seems to be super fast. This is just my opinion. It's just fast. It's just really fast. Comparing to the Neo that I had, the Neo only had cine mode, and the Neo was very slow. But this super cine mode, to me, is already feels like normal. So I can only imagine when I get to sports mode, it's gonna be crazy. So this is the building there. So I need to go ahead forward a bit more, so I'm getting in front of the building. I'll elevate to about 50 meters. So I'm now on 50 meters, so at 51, that's where I want to be. I will go further across. So I'm flying towards the sun at the moment, and once I get to a good spot like here, I'll do a 360 so I can then see the building. So I'm just turning the drone around to the left here, and then what I'll do, once I can see the building, so the building is there. This is the building there. Well, I'm not over the building yet, so it looks like I have to go further away from this. So the building just after the oval park, I should say. So I can sort of hear the drone, but anyway, once I go past the oval, then I should be able to see the drone or the building there. So I'm getting really far at the moment. I'm about 152 meters above my starting point. There's the building there. So that's the building I want to photograph. So I'm gonna lower my gimbal a bit. This is it there. Okay, so I've got now sort of a good view of the building. But what I want to is, I don't want to be directly in front of the sun. So if I fly this way, sidewise here, so as you can see my sidewise, I'm just pushing the right controller to the side. So I want to be about here looking into the building. So if I then start turning around that way, I can then see the building from over there. But I still believe I'm too far from the building. So what I'll do, I'll push forward a bit, and then maybe down a bit because I've way over. So that's the building there, and the sun is sort of coming from, I've got like a 45 degrees sunlight, so 45 degrees meeting the sun sort of way. But yeah, that's the building I want to take a photo of. I think I still am a bit far. I'm gonna fly a bit further closer. So now I'm getting too far over the building. Gonna go back a bit to the side. Okay, so I think that's a pretty good shot of the building there. So, and I also just adjusting my frame here, so it shows a bit of the environment as well. Maybe come back down a bit, so I'm about 35 degrees now, and maybe to the side a bit here. So I don't really want to see that Waverly sign, or not directly looking at it. So I think this is a good spot, because I have the car park, I have the building, and I have the oval over on the opposite side, and I also have the oval on the front side. So I'm gonna come back down again. So I'm getting too close to the trees now, so I'm gonna just move forward here. Yeah, I think this is a great shot about here. I like it. I don't know what you think about it, but I definitely like it. So maybe gimbal up a bit so you can see the skies as well, how blue and beautiful they are. I think that's a great photo there. I think we should snap a photo there. Beautiful photo taken, and now it's time to come home. So let's do this. And what to do is press on here, and just gonna go return to home.
Return to home.
And the drone should be coming back home. You can see the drone is now about to come down, and I just have to make sure that it doesn't actually land on the wrong spot or on a tree.
Landing.
So I just have to keep an eye on it here and adjust it accordingly. So as you can see, the drone is coming down. At least it's gonna miss the trees, and I don't want it to land on the gravel, because on the gravel. So I'll stop that now. And the reason I stopped it is because if it lands on the gravel, it might grab some debris and cut some grass, and I don't want debris to go into my drone, and I definitely don't want debris to go into the motors of the drone, because it can damage the motor, and also can damage the propellers. So we don't want propellers are not up to fly, not to cut grass. As you can see, it's just hovering. It's a very windy day. It's really struggling, but it is keeping a good steady position. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna manually land it. So I'm gonna bring it here towards my landing map, and come down, It's pretty lined up. It's pretty much lined up there, and I was just gonna land it right there. So it's sort of shifting a bit,
Landing.
but it should be a clear landing. And touchdown. So not quite right in the middle, but it landed, and it landed on a great spot. Well, as you saw, it wasn't easy, but I managed to take the photo that I wanted to take, and the wind was crazy, but the drone kept up. Thank you for DJI Mini 4K. It's strong. It's definitely, my DJI Neo would definitely not be able to keep up with these strong winds, and definitely wouldn't be able to fly that high in a further distance. So I've got a video comparing my DJI Mini 4K, which is a new drone that you just saw, to the DJI Neo which I'm gonna put it up here, so check it out. And also thank you because you stay until the end. I would like you to see the actually photo and the end photo that I took while I was flying, which is right here. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy my latest video I worked as well, which is gonna be just on this corner here. And if you prefer, you can watch the video YouTube believes is better suitable for you, which is gonna be on this corner here. In the meantime, hit in the middle here where my face is, hit on the subscribe button and hit on notification bell so you don't miss my very next video. Bye for now.